Hey everyone, want to add Google Fonts to Elementor? In this video, I'll show you how to add and customize Google Fonts in Elementor step by step. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the Elementor editor for your website page. Next, select the text element you want to customize, such as a heading, paragraph, or button. Now open the asterisk style *** tab and find the typography settings. Elementor includes many Google fonts that you can apply directly to your design. Click the font family option and search for the Google font you want to use. Next, adjust settings like font size, weight, line height, letter spacing, and text transformation to match your website style. If you want to use a custom setup, check Elementor and WordPress font settings to manage how Google Fonts load on your site. After making your changes, preview the page and check how the font looks across different sections. Finally, update your page and test your website on desktop and mobile devices to make sure the fonts display correctly. And that's how to add Google Fonts to Elementor. With the right typography settings, you can create modern and professional WordPress designs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.